Good morning. My name is Saurabh Kangude and my project is the major project on presentation on predicting blood donations. These are the some content of it. Here you can see which I have implemented in my project. First is introduction. Basically, introduction is about that in this project we have collected a different blood samples or different blood donors of 748 uh, um, 748 citizen of the city Haizhen Chu city in Taiwan, and in which this blood is used for the major surgery issues or the person which is very needful for bloods. And first we have used the dataset content from UCI machine learning respiratory and consist of random sample of 748 donors. And here we will also to predict the machine blood donor will donate within a given time window, and you will look at the full model building process from inspecting the dataset using the tplot library to automate your machine learning pipeline. Now second is this is introduction to my company. And first the introduction is that the internship where I am doing is the Technolab Software Private Limited. Basically, Technolab is a software development service company which provides services like application development, web development, API management, cloud application, uh, and so on. After that, this company is a private limited company and which is built in incorporated in September 2 2020, and which is headed by Mohammad Rauf Shah and Yasin Shah. After that, here we have some roles and responsibilities which I have done in that during internship. Actually, we are going to do the project, and we all intern are divided into five groups, and there are total eight teams. And second, then we are provided by different tasks which are based on application development. In that, we have to collect data of different sector like finance, marketing, medical, and blood group prediction, and the data based on any category. After that, by using this data, we are going to process this data in a different ways, like we will test the data and normal data and the normal data set, and then we will do different steps for it, and like data cleaning, data pre-processing, and data wrangling, etc. Then we will use machine learning algorithm in the data set, and after getting output we will upload it into the cloud for the development of application. After that, here are the some project brief where we have used the data collection nothing but where we have to collect the data and how to process it. Here From replacing a lost blood during the major surgeries or serious injury to treating various illness and blood disorder, ensuring that there is enough blood in supply whenever needed is a serious challenge for the health and professional. According to the WebMD, about 5 million Americans needed blood transfusion every year. And our data set is also a mobile blood donation vehicle in Taiwan, and the blood transfusion service center drives to the different universities and collect blood as part of blood drives. After that, here are some architecture of your project. Architecture is for scope, quality, risk, resources, budget, and schedule. First is scope. Scope is nothing but the scope is a part of project planning where we have to planning our project and how to implement it, is deadlines, functions, goals, etc. Second is quality. Quality is nothing but quality is checking the quality of any project, means how it will work, how you have to do the projects in a different field. And in the similar kind, risk is meaning the possibility of loss, injury, or other adverse or unwelcome circumstances. Risk is uncertain event or condition that is occur effect on the least one objective. Fourth is resources mean nothing but the resources which we are using during the project, like different tools, different library which we are using in Python for the different purposes for the our project. And fifth is budget means it is very simple that the financial budget, that the things which we are needed during the project times till the end of the project. And after that, schedule is a timetable or a basic time management tool, and consist of list of time which possible task, event, or action are intended to take places or sequence of event in the chronological order, and such things are intended to take places. Here are some methodology used in the project. It is one simple code which I have taken screenshot and implemented in it. First, here we can see a panda, imported panda library, and here import panda transfusion. Here we have extracted the csv file, and we have csv files. Here we have the data set which is present in the form of csv, and we have put it into it, and we have get the output. And this is a data flow diagram of our project, data flow diagram which I have put into my research paper. This is my own survey based on the technology. In that survey, we have healthcare expenses, as we know that, and to make profit in the health insurance company, firstly it needed to collect more premiums, spend or medical care to it guarantee, and therefore in such cases ensures the devote a huge transaction of time and money and flourishing model which forecast on the medical expenses. Medical expenses are very much difficult to examine because the most costly conditions are rare and very much random. But then also some of the related conditions are more frequent to certain portion of the community in India. After that, we have put a screenshot of completion of my research paper. Um, Here you can see that. After that, this is here, and this point is impact on society. What are the impact of the society of the blood donations? By analyzing and understanding their economic and social impact, health system can be provide additional evidence to meet sustainable development like goals, and health system can make a deliberate choice in their development and purchasing in order to support communities and address health equity at the local level. Healthcare is a part of life we all consider to be something we are enlightened it our right and to have access to the healthcare whenever we needed it, and uh, whenever for many people across the world, and there is a simply not an option, and those lives in the poverty or a deadline with the devastating effect on war and conflict do not assist the healthcare, even the most basic medical supplies out of reach and many vulnerable people. Now these are some future trends. Future trends is nothing but how we can help people in futures and in the different area sectors. In the first point, we have some critical care centers. We can build some labs for donating bloods, and we can for fixed well-being. Second point is later on the medical services industry will go more brilliant to guarantee better conveyance. After that, we have this industry in additional result, the IT sectors areas also, and numerous medical services. And last point is the eventual fate of the this industry relies upon the cutting edge innovation being created. Now here we have some conclusion of the project. A large number of students are unaware of importance of blood donation, and this is the most negative attitude in our society. We should donate our blood because it is the most important thing in our life, and by donating some blood we can help the people who is suchly needful for bloods, and we can save their lives. After that, these are some references. This is plagiarism report which I have put. I have checked my plagiarism on tool plagiarism checker, and these are the I got this plagiarism report. And last one is thank you.